So trying to turn on this lamp won't work because the knob's broken. So today we're going to show you how to repair the lamp socket with a good switch. To start our lamp repair, we're going to take off the shade. This is the part we're going to replace, and we're going to replace it with a push button socket. My wife has a little arthritic issue in her hands. This will be a lot easier than trying to turn the knob. First thing we do, we want to take out the light bulb. Then we're going to remove the harp. And then we're going to make sure that our lamp is unplugged. Take a look at this other fixture and I'll show you. This little screw just happens to tighten onto here, so we're going to have to take the wires from here, wire them into each side of this, and put that piece back in. I think we're going to need some. There we go. Just comes right out. We're going to screw that thing back down to give us a little room. So you can see on this one, this looks like some push pin. Should be able to just pop right out. There we go. Trying to take these out without having to cut them. Well, that one didn't work. So I'm basically just screwing this rubber around this to be able to take this off. Now this is the one that's broken because here's the knob that's without knob. Here's the piece that we're going to insert in. Curling our hook of our screw there we go. And tighten that puppy up. Curling a little bit. I always curl it in the direction the screw is going to tighten. Makes it easier to maintain. Okay, now we have both of those connectors down. We're going to slide this cover back in like that. Now all we have to do is find a happy seat for this, and the little grommets and impressions. Seat that nicely, and we're going to put our light bulb back in, and then we're going to plug it in. Light bulb in, plug it in, and there we go. Good as gold. Put the harp back on. These are easy, these little slide things. You just pull them up. You can put one side in, let it fall down, and attach it. Lift up the other side. Squeeze and have that in there. Let it slide back down. Put your shade on. Put the finial on. And then see if it works. And it does. So if you enjoyed the changing the lamp socket, please subscribe down below and come back and see us real soon.